next, I want to show you the Regional West weather camera once again, as we did have mainly cloudy skies throughout the day, but over the past couple of hours, it has started snowing. We do have some late to moderate intensity snow across the region. As you can see in the hospital parking lot and that street outside, we are starting to get just a light accumulation of snow so far. High temperatures across the region as we made our way through the day actually did reach the upper 40s at Scottsbluff and at Kimball. 54 your high at Sydney, but the cooler air was off to our north, so a high into the mid to upper 30s out towards Chadron and Gordon. But that cold air really did come in pretty quickly. Upper teens and lower 20s into the northern Panhandle Valley locations, including Scottsbluff now into the low to mid 20s, and also low to mid 20s along the I-80 corridor, including out toward Kimball and Sydney, and a lot cooler out towards Cheyenne and points off to the west with mainly teens on the map. There's your wind, still from a north-northeasterly direction, so we're keeping that easterly component to the wind a little longer, so that's producing the moisture across the region, that northerly flow really pumping in that cool air from the Arctic. Wind speeds right now starting to pick up around 10 to 25 miles per hour. Breeziest conditions off to the south and east of Scottsbluff. So we do abandon some light snow into the northern Panhandle Alliance out towards Chadron and Gordon. Mainly dry into Sioux County. Still mainly dry between Sydney and Oshkosh, but some moderate intensity snow now from Scottsbluff down toward the Cheyenne area. So just be aware if you're traveling out in that direction, especially along the rural roads. Could be a little slippery out there. Low pressure system has moved further off to our south, but then it's going to take more of a northerly swing. So over the next couple of hours could be some moderate intensity snow. Then it'll start to work its way out as even more cool air starts to work its way in. Now most of the viewing area in the purple here in a winter weather advisory that does go until 2 p.m. on tomorrow. And as you make your way from Cheyenne into the higher elevations off to the west, in the pink, a winter storm warning also until 2 p.m. for heavier snow out in that direction. So here, when all is said and done, by late morning, all the snow should be completely over, and then we'll start to lose the clouds. Here's what it looks like in terms of the snowfall accumulation. Still thinking in the darker blue here, south of Scottsbluff, down toward Kimball, 6 to 9 inches. In the medium blue shading here, that's 3 to 6 inches. Does not include Scottsbluff, but from Alliance down toward Oshkosh, Sydney, and out toward Hyannis, up toward Valentine. The northern Panhandle, including Scottsbluff, looks to pick up total 1 to 3 inches, and even up towards Chadron and Gordon, less than an inch up in some areas up in that direction. So it's going to be a fast mover, only going to get the heaviest and steadiest snow over the next 3 or 4 hours or so. Even by daybreak, this system only has some light snow showers, cloudy skies, and a strong northerly wind, lows in the mid-teens to near 20. And we're back to sunshine, or we'll say partly cloudy skies by tomorrow afternoon, but highs only into the low to mid-20s, and then we will continue to be very cool with temperatures into the single digits, maybe even near zero starting off Wednesday, but more sunshine, a nice warm-up will get us into the low to mid-30s as we go through the day on Thursday. As soon as we get past this system, really cool high pressure works its way in. We're on its cool side tomorrow, then we really start to warm up, moves off to the east. There's your wind mainly from a southerly direction, so warmer air is on the way as we stay mainly dry through the rest of the week. So 34 on Wednesday and mostly sunny, near 50 on Thursday, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, still near 50 Friday into Saturday, and 52 for Sunday. Another system will bring in cooler air. We'll only put a 20% chance of some rain or some snow showers Sunday night through the day on Monday, but temperatures falling all the way back into the mid-30s. Allison?
Thanks, Justin. Classes resumed today at the University of Idaho, despite a swirling murder mystery. The investigation into who killed 4 students now entering its 3rd week. Jay Gutierrez is here with the latest.
This morning.